As you watch this video, you might notice the beauty of the sunset. The sky is painted with different colors, from orange to purple, creating a stunning contrast with the darkening horizon. The sun is slowly sinking behind the buildings, leaving behind a trail of light. It's a magnificent sight, isn't it? But do you know what's even more amazing? The fact that you are here, right now, witnessing this moment. You are alive, and you have the opportunity to make the most of your life. You have your dreams, goals, passions, and talents that are unique to you. You have a potential to do great things, to make a positive impact on the world, and to be happy. But sometimes life can be hard. Sometimes you might face challenges, obstacles, failures, or disappointments that make you feel like giving up. Sometimes you might doubt yourself, your abilities, or your worth. Sometimes you might feel like you're not good enough, not smart enough, nor strong enough, or not worthy enough. But let me tell you something. You are enough. You are more than enough. You are a wonderful human being who deserves love, respect, and happiness. You are not defined by your mistakes, your flaws, or your limitations. You are defined by your strengths, your achievements, and your possibilities. So don't let the darkness of the night scare you. Don't let the fear of the unknown stop you. Don't let the negativity of others bring you down. Instead, look at the sunset and remember that every day is a new chance to start over. Every day is a new opportunity to grow, learn, improve, and achieve. Every day is a new adventure to explore, enjoy, and cherish. The sunset is not the end of the day, it's the beginning of a new one. It's a reminder that no matter how dark things get, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. There's always hope for a better tomorrow. So keep going, my friend. Keep chasing your dreams. Keep pursuing your passions. Keep working hard. Keep learning new things. Keep improving yourself. Keep overcoming your challenges. Also, keep celebrating successes. Keep loving yourself and others. Keep living your life to the fullest. Yes, because you are amazing. You are created beautiful and wonderful. You can do anything. Thank you for listening, and I hope I was able to give you a piece of motivational that you can think of. Be inspired, keep spreading pure love. Keep safe, everyone.